Oh God. Oh God.
Go ahead. Yeah. We all feel that, Jennifer. Good. Really dorsiflex into there. Beautiful.
Oh my
Good.
God. I've been feeling like a little in my calf and
So
like
lower.
my hamstring. Yeah.
Okay.
Achiness. It's dull achiness like in my calf, and sometimes I'll feel a little like on this side, the outside of the calf. I'd probably say this side.
So lateral calf. What are you feeling there? Is it tightness? Is it achy?
It's achy all the time, achy. But the mornings are the worst, and this foot it feels tighter. Like this feels more like restricted. So when I put weight on it, I have to like really slowly do it.
Go ahead and standing right now, actually, that dull ache that you feel in the calf, 0 to 10. How does that feel?
A 7.
7.
Sometimes I'll feel a little ache too, like here. A little, yeah.
Okay. Yep, she's at the floor. She's full. What do you feel there? Do you feel the tugging in that right calf?
Tightness, but I feel a lot of tightness in the front actually, right here.
So 0 to 10.
I feel it in my this side, 8, full 8, 9, 10. Like when I do that,
Her distal hamstring, actually your entire hamstring down into her calf. Good, you can come up. So right now I'm just feeling up the track of the sciatic nerve, and as I get into her hamstrings, all of this is super toned right now. These muscles are contracted. That's probably why she's got this achy and tightness in the back. Go ahead, extend that knee. Oh, this is really good. Start to dorsiflex that foot. Really good.
Oh, God.
Good.
Jesus.
That was the sciatic nerve at the distal BF, moderate to severe. Yeah, sciatic nerve likes to get stuck over here.
The BF.
Biceps femoris. So that's one of the heads of the hamstrings. The other side is the semi-membranosus, I believe. Right in here, so I'm sinking down in between the two hamstrings, and then I'm actually moving the biceps femoris off to the side slightly so I can get down next to this nerve. There we go. Go ahead. Extend.
Oh, God. Fuck. Oh, my God.
Good job, Jen. Good. That was the sciatic nerve at the mid BF. So just slightly above where I was. Down here is more of the distal aspect. Then I moved up. Moderate to severe as well. And now all of this tissue that was super tight before is a lot looser. Same thing, sinking between hamstrings. I'm gonna slide one off to the side here. Go ahead, bring that leg back. Good. So, sciatic nerve at proximal BF, and that's gonna be moderate. That one wasn't too bad. So I'm just working my way down this nerve track here. So now I'm gonna take a look a little more locally at her actual calf. And she's got some stuff in her. So now I'm just at one of the branches of the sciatic nerve that lives in the calf. And it is the tibial nerve, yep. Same thing, sinking in, I get next to that nerve here. Add some tension, go ahead, dorsiflex the foot. Yep, keep going. Good. So that feels good, that's moving a lot better in here. Now as I drop down here, got some stuff in there.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Go ahead. We all feel that, Jennifer. Good. Really dorsiflex into there. Beautiful.
Oh, my
Good.
God.
Go ahead and touch your toes. Moderate to severe.
Thank you.
SLPF retest. How does that feel? That right leg.
Better. So much better. There's less tension on the front. I might need next time for us to do the other side, but like.
She definitely needs some on the front. Come sit down real quick. I want to do one last thing for you.
Okay.
So you feel that tension? You feel it up in here? Mm-hmm. So yeah, she's got some peroneal nerve entrapment in here. Go ahead. Plantar flex. Really good. Yeah, it's pulling. Good. Now start to invert in.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Yes, get in there. Oh,
Good.
Oh, he's so good. Oh.
We're going to tackle some more of that nerve stuff next time I see you, all right?
Okay.
Really good, though.
Yeah, that felt really good. I didn't even know you could go that deep.
You can. You sure can. No,
so
really good
good.
stuff. So as you see, the symptoms are moving from down to the hip, down into the lower leg and everything. So we're just going to continue to unravel, but you're making good progress for, what, 2 treatments?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
Awesome.
I'm glad. I'm sorry. No more storms.